All right, as you can see, it is a typical New England snowy day. So what we're doing is we're hunkering down inside the shop, starting to move machines. We got most of the machines cleaned up. We're moving a few things now, a little bit of fixturing. And, we're gonna be moving this OD grinder to that corner, bringing this Bridgeport out, putting it here, putting the back of this Alliant right here next to it, and we're looking good. Alright, so Bridgeports removed. We're sitting back to back to save some space. Now we are getting ready to clean out all of this area to put the OD grinder, the ancient one. We're going to try to make some room over here so that all the grinding is in one location and can use the hood. Alright, so it's a few days later, and we have all the grinding equipment now in a row with plenty of space in between it. It's pretty handy now because we can come over here and use the ductwork here to suck all the dust out so you're not breathing it in. And we got the OD grinder and 2 service grinders with plenty of space all around to use. And we actually increased the amount of space you can use the Alliant on, which is pretty nice. You're not crammed in a corner. There's plenty of room around it. And then for the bigger stuff, we're able to bring material right in and put it on our Bridgeport. So a little bit more organized. Now we can actually maybe start doing some stuff with it and keep moving forward.